From being established and our listing in 2018, Lavastone is a dedicated commercial real estate and investment and development group. We hold a variety of office spaces, industrial buildings, hotels, commercial centers, and some prime land for development. We differentiate ourselves through making our strategic acquisitions, sustainable building practices, and more importantly, our strong focus on our tenants and their businesses. So we really see our mission as helping our tenants with real estate solutions that align with their own strategies. We prioritize long-term partnerships and maintain high service levels because we own, develop, and operate our own properties. We have a dedicated property management and facilities management team. So we have people on the ground with our tenants, ensuring that our buildings meet their expectations and also adapt to their needs as their businesses grow or sometimes shrink. A hotel on the east coast of Mauritius called Sunrise Attitude, which we developed and built with the Attitude Hotels Group, a locally established group that is now growing into Africa. We acquired a piece of land and started developing a hotel project after approaching Attitude as a potential tenant. We partnered together with them, and this was just prior to COVID. It was in 2019. We bought the land in 2018, and throughout 2019, we were developing the property together in terms of all the planning and everything. And then COVID hit, and it was a very strange place to be, but one that forged a fantastic relationship with this tenant, in that we developed the property to meet their requirements. We delayed the opening of the hotel to 2022 when COVID was over, in time for 2021 when Mauritius was opening back and was the first hotel to reopen in Mauritius, or first new hotel. And today it's a huge success. It's performing extremely well, and it's one we're very proud of because of the way it was developed, the human story behind it, the relationship with our tenants, not just in designing the hotel and also finding the commercial financial solutions to a huge problem, which was COVID. But we couldn't have done that without partnering with our construction stakeholders, the people that built the building, the architects, the engineers. Everybody had to play a ball. And it was a fantastic story. Another one is a more recent hotel in Rodrigues, also started during or just prior to the second COVID. And what a difficult project that was, because logistically it's a lot more complicated. And there again, it speaks of a fantastic partnership with the hotel operator, which is Constance Hotels, and the hotel is the C. Rodrigues at Mourouk. And we are now just about starting planning on the extension of this hotel, already a little bit over a year after its opening. We've got an amazing piece of land right next to the Mourouk Hotel that we're planning to develop. We were thinking of doing that a little bit later, but it's good the relationship is brilliant, and we see the hotel industry in Rodrigues and its future to be quite buoyant. So we want to get ahead of the game on that basis.